Good day to all Filipinos from all parts of the world. Thank you for the opportunity to introduce our advocacy to create buildings that are part of the climate solution, not the problem. Passive House works via simple laws of physics. To illustrate, an electric water cooler requires constant active energy input to maintain water cold, while a sports bottle's insulation and airtight lid helps maintain cold water passively. These same laws of physics are applied in Passive House, in which the five principles are thermal insulation, passive house windows, adequate ventilation strategy, airtight building envelope, and thermal bridge-free design. The first ever passive house was built in Germany in 1991. Note that in German, house means building, not house. Since then, passive house has rapidly increased in popularity worldwide, including Asia, with over 25,000 buildings certified. There are passive house organizations in various countries. Passive House Philippines joined in 2024 and hoping to become an official affiliate soon. Our mission is to make the Passive House standard understood, achievable, and adopted in the Philippines through education, technical support, and advocacy. Passive House can be applied to all building types. These are the Passive House social housing buildings, school buildings, kindergartens, gym and swimming pool facilities, and office buildings and factories. There are now passive houses in very hot, humid climates in Indonesia, Thailand, Dubai, and Sri Lanka. We hope that you'll be involved in our country's first passive house. Passive house is climate resilient, as demonstrated by this passive house that survived the recent wildfire in LA. Passive house is considered one of the most stringent building standards in the world. This is because passive house standard is performance-based through rigorous third-party quality assurance process as validated by energy modeling. The Passive House Institute has created synergies and crosswalks with other green building standards. Passive House approach follows the hierarchy of building design principles in which energy loads are reduced first through passive design, then energy efficient mechanical systems are selected second, and lastly, low carbon energy is procured. At the moment, there are no certified passive house yet in the Philippines. So I invite all Filipino architects, engineers, building owners, and policymakers to start creating buildings that are part of the climate solution, not the problem. Maraming salamat po.